doing here?
Hey, no. Boom.
We're booking one.
We're doing it. Fuck it. Sick of waiting. Car's fucked. Send it.
Just get it sent.
Just get it gone. 2 drivers. We'll have a garage and all. Oh, I don't want 2. Add
Double garage.
double garage. TJ might need some car instruction.
What's that additional part now we're doing?
Nah, we don't need. We've got helmets. Sound. Done. Check out.
386 quid.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
What have
whoa.
you
What do you
done?
mean? What do you mean? Oh, I've put. Hey?
You've put 2
Oh,
track
I've put
days
2 track days in. That looks better, doesn't it?
You could take the Twingo.
Hey, we could do.
So we're going to have to fix the trailer,
Yep,
fix the car,
yep. And drive it fast.
send it
Alright, let's get
with
this.
ruined rear camber.
Yep. Hey, it'd be fun though, won't it? Jump on.
So that's it, it's booked.
That's it, no, it's official. We're actually going on a track day. And then you can all laugh at us driving
Make sure you subscribe
for more.
to see the absolute shit show of a track day.
That's inbound. So, track day's booked. That means it's ready for a track day. But because it's us, it's not ready for a track day. And we've bought an absolute footload of stuff that needs to be fixed. Yeah, massively.
Well, it's not really that important.
No, it's just we've gone a bit OTT. So as you can see, as we've got here, we've got the Fletcher, uprated one. None of this cracking end cap shit. Beautiful alloy radiator. OTC hoses, and we actually need to fix it. An alternator.
Second hand.
What else is on the way, Joe? Because of Royal Snail strikes.
So, other than that, we've got a Boss.
We have got a steering boss.
Momatech steering wheel.
Motor mech.
Got a Motor Mech tow strap and a K&D Engineering tow strap adapter for the front. Got some bonnet clips because our bonnet's dodgy.
Bonnet's dodgy, bumper's hanging off.
We've got some bumper quick release pins that we're going to put in across the front.
Yeah.
We need that because
Hopefully
it
that'll-
just keeps bashing on the train.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll sort it. And we've got stickers.
We've got a lot of stickers.
We've already got some stickers we're not put on yet, and we've got some more stickers on the way. Which
Because
we'll see.
What makes a race car?
Stickers.
BHPs.
BHP
So
games.
that's all we've got. But we were going to buy some tyres,
Yeah.
but we didn't.
Oh, we have got 2 semi-slicks, Federal.
Yeah, so we're going to buy some rain sports, but we've decided to just send it on these
What we've got.
semi-slicks.
Yeah, we'll kill these NS2Rs off.
Even if it's wet, we're going on that.
Yeah, we're going to spin.
Why is that shouting?
God knows.
Yeah, so what we're going to do now, because we've only got these parts we're looking to fit now, so we'll fit the alternator which needs doing, then we'll fit the radiator,
Yeah.
fix this the plastic bit underneath because that's a bit dodgy,
Yeah.
and obviously we'll fit the hoses with the radiator, so that's what
Whilst
we'll
you
do.
pair are doing the front, I'm going to do the back.
Oh yeah.
I need to highlight the
we
back.
need to raise the rear ride height because it's still a bit low.
It's just going to be a mix up of bits and bobs as these mods come in, we'll just keep recording the video.
And then the video after this is going to be
Hopefully track day.
we're on a fucking track
It
there.
might not be.
So we'll give you a bit of an update as to how it's going. Front end off.
Broken.
Also broken. TJ's having time of his life at back, to be fair.
I don't know if it's definitely higher.
It is definitely higher.
Yeah.
Is it as high as the other
I
side?
don't know if the other side might be a bit higher, but
I feel like it is a bit higher, isn't it? Just a touch. But then in here, look at this. Just look at this. The old Fletcher.
Oh, that's beautiful. That is a thing of beauty.
Better than that thing, isn't it?
Yeah. So yeah, the pipe comes upwards on that. And on ours, the Mini 1, let's go that way. As you can see, it was not the right one. Here we go. Progress update. Why is engine off?
Off.
It's off.
Take fucking intercooler off, this horn off, just to push that.
Just hold that.
Because of everything here in weight.
This is a bastard. But just took all that off to literally push it up about 2 mil.
Oh, is that alright?
Oh well.
Is that alright?
Yeah. We figured out what this is. This is for the bleed nipple also. Oh yeah, alternator's done. That's another bit.
I mean, you can't tell.
You can't tell, but it's a new one-ish. It's a, well, second-hand.
Second-hand right.
Second-hand, brand new Denso. Denzel Washington.
Yeah. Our Denzel.
Oh, Denzel. So, what is it now? Other hose. Fletcher.
Other hose, fit all that back.
Oh, we figured out what them 2 little hoses were as well. There's that one and another one down there. Throw it all back together. And then fucking go bam, 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 bam. So, for everyone that's watched it all the way through, this is your Rooster Racing bypass valve with the uprated spring in it. From Nigel. Cheers, Nigel.
CJ's putting radiator in.
Yeah. Yeah, this is going to be fixed shortly. A bit of cable tie stitching from the old Brocker.
Found these soldering that cures that.
Oh yeah, so then you don't, all you hear in his videos is
I reckon it'll still happen.
yeah, it will do, it'll be fucked. I mean, you see the state of it.
3, 2, 1, Joel.
We've had bit of a discovery. So whilst we were at this stage, we thought, let's do the Airbox mod. And Joe, if you'd just like to demonstrate the rattling noises.
Well, they've stopped now.
All right, so
these
stones. These stones in the bottom of his Airbox, like that.
I mean, obviously it doesn't really matter because it's on that side of the air.
Yeah, so it's not too bad. But as you can see, all these bits of mouse shit and bear shit, and no mice though.
But
We've had mice in the Airbox.
so much lived in it. There's quite a lot in there, you know.
There's a lot of shit.
Yep, there's shit everywhere.
Shit, snail dropping seeds. They haven't eaten the Airboxer, the air filter. That's off to them. TJ's doing an absolute solid over here, reattaching this. Plastic welding at its finest, by its finest man.
Trying?
Trying?
I'm trying.
He is trying.
What we're doing here.
Yeah, go on, explain this.
So this.
Yep. Sits.
This is the air goes in here through the air filter, but this hole here is to get some cold air to come through from this vent as well. So what we're doing, we get rid of that, drill a massive hole there,
A 64 mil hole here.
a massive hole there,
Can we not just take that off?
or take that off. We don't really need it because it don't really matter anymore. Not a road car. And we'll get bare noise.
So, first bit of weight. Maybe. I don't know if it's going to be weight saving. It could be heavier actually. So, original radiator, 2.95 kilo. Fletcher. Oh, it's heavier. Oh, it's going to be, isn't it? It's heavy. That's solid alley. That is a lot heavier. Oh! We've gained 2 kilo in radiator.
So,
Good job, we're doing some weight shedding. He's done it. It's done.
back built. Airbox cover things out. Drill a massive hole in that. That's that part done. Pipes are in. Radiator's on.
Pipes, radiator.
It's back on.
That's been bodged, but we'll have to.
Yeah, for now that's just a bolt.
And
Other than that,
alternator's on.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to start it now, see if it works.
ride out sorted, hopefully.
Relieve this coolant.
Bit of weight shedding.
Foggy's gone.
Foggies are out of there. Right, we're absolutely flying along, and it's minus fucking 5.
I'll reattach this battery and then we'll start it.
Yep. Oh, ignition's on.
That's fried. We love a
How do you like your ECUs in the morning?
fried.
I like mine with an egg.
What's he doing here now?
Why is it so tight, this? Is it like cross-threaded?
I think it's just fully tight.
No, because I'm trying to undo it. Just get me like a set of grips and I'll just fucking undo it, change the bolt on it. Because it's not tightening up. Fuck me. Hold it.
Oh, it snapped.
Yeah, it's fucking shit.
Yeah, but that's that, so no, it won't clamp up. That's like a bevel that clamps.
Yay!
We'll just hold it on for now.
Yeah, I know.
Is he holding on?
He's holding on.
Go on.
Ready?
At least it's still working.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, we'll finish bleeding it off camera, and next time you see it, we're going to be doing laps all apart.
No, we're not.
No, more mods.
More mods.
More mods.
More mods.